beautiful heartbeat. So your baby is growing beautifully because you're measuring perfectly. There's a kick. When you hear that static, that's the baby moving. The baby's heartbeat's nice and regular and even. It's perfect rhythm. And normal heartbeat's 120 to 160. Your baby's probably in 150s, 158, 160s. So that's usually it's fast from the beginning. So that sounds great.
Don't like that thing. It's cold.
It's a busy baby.